So surprisingly, I'm on time today, which usually happens. It's on the weekends typically. Oh, I need to turn my music off. Usually happens when I'm vlogging. I like distracted and start running late, but I'm on time, so I'm super excited. It looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day out, to be quite honest. It's like sunny. I'm so excited. Last night there was this like huge rainstorm. It was so crazy. We were caught outside in it too, so it was really funny. But it just looks so beautiful today, and the sun's rising over there. Oh my goodness. I love waking up early to see the sunrise every morning. It's like one of my favorite things. But I'm just on my way to Orange Theory, like always. Anyways, this is just vlog number 3 of my summer vlog series. I hope you guys are enjoying it. If you haven't noticed, I've been posting a lot more videos lately, and I'm just having so much fun with it because it's summertime, and I hope you guys are enjoying it too. I got my mom addicted to Cardi B. It's so funny. The lighting got a little weird because the sun's behind me now, but it's okay. I'm just gonna drive to the gym. I'm here early. What is this? So, it's so strange. This never happens on the weekends, but I have to fix my hair because I just threw it in this bun so it'd look okay for the vlog, but I cannot run with messy buns because they just fall over. I finally finished editing the video. It's so cute. I think you'll really like it. It's only 3 minutes, but it's really cute. It has a ton of fun outfits. I'll insert a card on the screen so you can go check it out. It's so fun, and I am just gonna go hop in the shower right now because almost 10 o'clock and I still haven't showered. It's been a hot minute, but my hair and makeup's done, my video's up, I posted to Instagram, I ate lunch. It's just been a busy morning, but I have my fake eyelashes on, which I am obsessed with. I think I need to pick up a new box of them just because these are getting a little like out of shape, but I've had them for a solid like 2 months now. And a lot of you guys keep asking me if I got eyelash extensions or anything. No, they're just fake lashes. I think they're so easy to put on and I absolutely love them, so I've been putting them on almost every single day. I'm just that obsessed with them. But I just have to run to the bank right now. They close at 2 and it's like 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. We can listen to some of my current favorite songs in the car. I'm super excited. I was filming a morning routine yesterday and today, and I'm like trying to figure out how to film the outfit, but I think I'm just gonna have to get someone to help me with it. But that is the current situation, but I need to go to the bank and that's what we're gonna do now. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have the AC on full blast. It's 91 degrees here. It's so warm, but it feels so good. I love it. I just have on a like big oversized t-shirt, some Nike shorts, and Jack Rogers, which is such like a chill, hot summer day outfit, I guess. It's just so hot I didn't want to put like restricting clothes on, and I think it's really cute. I'll show it to you guys when I get home. But oh my gosh, my mom just texted me and I got my first makeup PR package. I am so like excited right now. I can't wait to get home and like check it out. I am just so mind blown. Like, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Ah, okay. But so that's really exciting, so I'll be sure to open that for you guys when I get home. I'm just like freaking out inside. It's so unbelievable, like so awesome. I'm so excited and I'm so grateful. So thank you so much for subscribing and supporting me and everything. I'm just so excited, oh my gosh. But so I might be going shopping a little bit later today. I'm not really 100% sure, but I'm just so excited to open my package, you guys. I'm just, oh, it's so exciting. Ooh, I have been loving 5 Seconds of Summer's new song. It's so good. Definitely recommend it. guys, here's my first PR package. It's from Pixie Beauty. I'll have their company listed down below if you want to check it out. I'm just so stinking excited. I'm gonna get my tripod and we're gonna open up this package. And I wanted to show you guys my cute little water cup that I've been drinking out of all morning. This is like a pineapple cup. Isn't this so cool? So we got it at TJ Maxx a while ago and I just have water in there. I've been drinking it all morning, but it has this little straw on the top. I just thought it was so cute. So if you see me drinking out of this, it's just water. It's like a cute little cup that I got at TJ Maxx, but I'm gonna get the tripod. We're gonna open this package. Okay, I got the package. It's a pretty big package, so I'm just gonna get my scissors out. And by the way, I updated my desk tour yesterday. If you haven't seen that, I'll insert a card. But basically, I show you guys everything in and outside of my desk. It's really fun. I've never really watched a video like it, but I've been getting so many questions about my desk that I figured I would just like show you guys all about it in... I'm so bad at opening packages. I thought it'd be fun to just show you my whole desk in a video. So that's going up tomorrow, but you can watch it now because this video goes up after. But I'm so excited about it. It's super fun. Let me know if you liked it because I've never really done anything like that before, but it was fun to film and everything. But I'm just gonna open this up. It's like huge. I'm trying to get it with my little kid scissors. Okay, I got it. It's green. I'm pretty sure it just like slides out. So this is what it looks like. It is glow in a box. I love the packaging. It has these really fun pink sparkles and it's like little fireflies, I think. So stinking cute. And then it just opens up like so. And it's pink and green, and you guys know I've been loving the color combination of pink and green. It says glow, get them gorgeous. That is so cute. It comes with 2 highlights and then a bunch of eyeshadows. These look so pretty and they're so sparkly. I'm so excited to try these out. I'm so excited to share them with you guys. So that is just like a little close-up of what they look like. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for sending this to me. I'm going to be Instagramming it. Be sure to make some more Instagram makeup tutorials because I seriously love watching those, filming those, sharing them. It's just so much fun and I'm so excited to share these new products with you guys. Today I don't really have much planned. I just thought it'd be fun to vlog and it's my vlog series. Kind of feel like we've been doing like an unboxing slash haul in all of these vlogs, but I am not complaining. This is fun. I hope you guys have been liking the vlogs as well. I was actually planning on going to like a shoe store to pick up a new pair of tennis shoes today because if you guys have been watching my channels for a while, I go running almost every single day at Orange Theory. I run like 2 to 4 miles a day, which is so crazy, but my shoes are like completely broken down and I got them in March or like before March almost. They're just not really comfortable to wear anymore, so I'm trying to find a cute, affordable, comfy pair and I'll bring you guys along with me when I go shoe shopping. Might run a few more errands, I'm not really sure, but that is just the game plan right now. That's what I'm going to be doing next. And also, thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers. That is so crazy. I'm so excited. It's so cool. I just can't wrap my head around it. It's like still hasn't set in, but I'm just so excited. So thankful. So I love you guys so much and we're just gonna go shoe shopping. I'm so excited to bring you guys along with me. I thought it'd be fun to share my outfit with you guys before I leave. So I just have on this Lauren James t-shirt. It's one of the perfect tees. I have it in a size medium and I absolutely love how oversized it is. I just have on my little monogram necklace from Etsy, my arm candy. I just have on a single Lily and Laura bracelet and my crystal bead bracelet that I got from Lameno. I'll have it linked down below. Then I just have on some Nike Tempo shorts. They're in this like light blue color, which I just think is so fun. And then I just have on my platinum Jack Rogers. I seriously wear these shoes all of the time. The cutest pair of pink tennis shoes at Kohl's. I actually fit into the kid size shoes, so they were really inexpensive. I'm wearing a size 5 youth, which is so tiny, but you know, we're just going with it. And now I'm going to the grocery store because I'm completely out of protein for next week and tomorrow, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. This hair is blowing in the AC. By the way, my eyelashes with the AC when it's super high feel like they're just gonna like fall off, so oh, I need to pick up another pair of eyelashes too, but we're going to the grocery store now. we gotta wait for the chorus. Okay, enough of that song. I've been jamming out to that song all week, but we are going to Taco Casa. I'm so excited. I like absolutely love their taco salads, so we're gonna get one of those just to like snack on all day. I'm so excited. Their chips are so crunchy and I just can't wait, and they're just so good. I'll be sure to share it with you guys once we get it. That's me. Face on it. I just got back from running all those errands. It's been such a great day so far, and it's 5 o'clock. I'm just so worn out because I've been up since 6:30, and I'm just like tired because of the heat and everything too. And I just had some of that taco salad from Taco Casa. So good. I feel like I'm in a food coma right now, so I'm just gonna watch some Netflix. And I've been watching the show called Dynasty. This is what it looks like. I'm on episode 8 of season 1. I think it's a CW channel like show, but the plot of it is so good, and like I'm always like, what's gonna happen next? It honestly reminds me of like a grown-up version of Gossip Girl, and it's just so good. So if you like Gossip Girl, I bet you would like it. And I've been binge watching it. I'm on episode 8, and last month I didn't watch any Netflix at all, so I'm like trying not to watch too much of it this month, but it's just so good. I can't stop watching it. But I'm going out later with a few of my friends, so I'm going to be ending the vlog here because I'm not bringing my camera with me tonight. But I hope you guys had a great day. I had so much fun bringing you guys along with me. I hope you guys have been enjoying the vlogs. Again, if you are new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll insert a card of all my summer vlogs so far from this summer. I'm so excited to be making this a little series and have like a weekly vlog. I think they're so much fun, and you guys seem to really enjoy them, and I love making them for you guys. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below what color your nails are. That's gonna be like the question of the day. I really have been loving this cobalt blue color. I think this is gonna be like a really fun color to play around with this summer. Just think it's so cute, and of course I got my little monogram on it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!